On January 22nd, 2016, a massive and powerful blizzard began to impact a large part of the eastern United States. The snow fell heavily for over 24 hours, leaving behind substantial accumulations across a widespread area. My part of New Jersey received a little over 2 feet of the heavy powder, creating an impressive winter wonderland. Though the snow falling silently was a beautiful thing to watch, the storm was responsible for loss of life and property and created major complications for every form of transportation. After the roads were safe to travel, I made 2 brief visits to New Jersey Transit's Hamilton Station in Hamilton Township, New Jersey. Though many trains were still canceled at this point, Amtrak and New Jersey Transit were continuing to run whatever they could in a strong effort to get back on their feet. Though much of the initial snowfall had been cleared or had melted away by the time I could get trackside, there was still a decent amount of powder on the ground. Please enjoy as we do some Hamilton rail fanning after the blizzard. We start on January 25th with Amtrak Northeast Regional number 95, which kicks up the snow on its way to Trenton, New Jersey, a few miles to the west. The train is being led by one of Amtrak's few remaining AEM-7 locomotives. Next up is Pennsylvanian number 43 on track 4. Now on the morning of January 27th, I'm back at Hamilton Station for one more quick round of trains. That was eastbound Silver Meteor number 98 on its way toward New York City. The westbound Amtrak Silver Star, number 91, passes through Hamilton on Track 4, with the only other AEM 7 I saw on these two outings. The final train we'll see is eastbound Keystone Service train number 648. Though the snowfall was beautiful and photogenic, I'm more than ready to break out the swimming gear and head to the beach. Thank you for watching this episode of Hamilton Rail Fanning, and thank you for choosing Trainert Productions as your home for Delaware Valley Railroad videos.